How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. My name is Mbali, and you are?
My name is.
Don. Friends. His name is Don. Oh, so fine, mate.
Bye, Don.
You wanna queen? Why not
How dare you, friend?
And what are you talking about?
I'm talking about you not introducing me to your brother.
Look, we late, but I'm sorry. Next time. And please don't give me that look.
So, what is he doing for a living?
Well, he's doing practicals at the University of Cape Town, and he is working with a film production called Skilava Film Production.
Oh, wow. I know that production. So he's the guy who's doing the garden boy in the movie, right?
Well, he did register after the movie. And if I may ask, why so many questions?
Yeah. Never mind it. So,
Brother, I'm back. Brother, I'm back.
Okay. Wait. Call me.
Okay. Hey, how are you?
So, was that your friend?
Yes, Mali.
Right.
Ayi mfuthu. Ngiyaphila kodwa
Ngilanga mfethu. Ayi mfuthu sekuvele kwavela inkinga mfethu lana yazi. Kwavela ubhuti kaQueen esithubeni mfethu le ndaba uyangikhathaza mfethu. Yazi kusho ukuthi isikhathi sami mina noQueen manje mfethu sesizoba sincane mfethu. Ish. Angikhathaza lento mfethu.
Mara yazi nakusinto ongayiwalisha ngayo. Naye ubhuti uzo understand ukuthi vele uyayithola.
mfuthu kwamele understand. Eish, okay bafungitshela skip lapho mfethu.
Yazi le pura waze ke believe. Ngithole esinye sigijima njenge Ferrari ntwana vru pa.
Bani igama?
Relax ngegama mfethu yini igama liyadura mfethu but otherwise uEsther mfethu mama Esther wise so.
Esther. Cha phela bafo bengakujabulela mina ukumazi uEsther kahle kahle.
Relax ungajaha ukungibona mfethu sombona. Sihle sidope. Yashisa lo.
Okay ngani yakwethu ngoba sikuhlule nami mfuthu.
Ake ngibe umuntu yabona uthatha amanzi ngishawa mfethu.
Ngikhuleka bafuna mithi ngilale ngizothi uphupha ngalama Esther wise anyana uyayithola musa.
Hayi, sokushona bafo. Uyobonana ke nakwethu.
Ma Esther wise. Yani.
Each other. Why can't you admit it? I mean, I'm old, you know, and I'm no fool. I can see what you guys are on about.
So, Dawn, is right?
What? Nah, you know what she gets. Just tell her you know what I'm doing.
I must admit, I really dig.
Jeez, man. Shush.
Just do it.
Jaya kagogo. Mithana sesami uma Esther wise asibone nje. Qala ngokutshela musi ngaso.
Ngiyajabula ukwazi Esther. But it's nice to meet you.
Sho ma Esther wise. Bheka mfuthu sibuya sikubone ne sithi shwi ngale ne. Sibuya sikubone ne ungibhelele ne. Ungibhelele. Shosho ungibhelele sa. Okay. Manje mfethu angitshela umgcine nini uNeo nje. Neo the
Umbo. Eish. The day before yesterday.
How?
Ngiwasendini yami.
Indoda le mambali.
Uyangazi.
Exe manje tutapeka yabona lesoneyo ntwana. Ake ngitshela lesamile senze ukulapho lesa.
Uyabona.
Phela lesa sihothi mfethu siyasibona nawe siyavuka. Yini manje?
Yabona mangabe uzongitshela ngoNeo. Nani. Umbali is my everything. Yena manje ngithanda. Mangabe uzongitshelana nangona.
Sala kanjalo nje. Usungitshela suka sala kanjalo. Hayi baba.
Asingene babe. Wangafuni ngena babe. Babe, what is going on? Wangafuni ngena.
Khona into ekumele ngikutshele yona.
Wabonakala serious. Okay, kwenzekani? Kwenzekani bra? Okay, ngiyanthusa ke ngoku.
Yabona, before ufike empilweni yami,
Yeah.
bekhona into ade ngizwana nayo.
Obvious, come on.
Ahlukananga.
Wait, what? Engathi uthi andihlukananga. Andihlukananga? Okay, so if andihlukananga then kwenzeka ntoni apha? Kwenzekani?
Dawn, the time, and I promise to sort this out.
Please sort it out. Like, sort it out very fast. Because I don't want to find myself in those love triangle situations. Especially these days. People die these days. There are a lot of diseases out there. Don't fuck him, please, okay?
I promise. Because I love you. I want this to work.
Well, fix it. Because I got plans for you. From no child. So, again.
Doctor. Yini kahle kahle le ngidlala kangaka?
Unale infection.
What infection? Dr. Mpilo, is it curable?
Yeah, yona ha o nka dipilisi tsa ka nako. Wa kgona ho phela hantle.
No, manje, I'm lost. We're not on the same page. What pills, Dr. Mpilo? I can't understand.
What I can tell you now is, brother, you are HIV positive.
Yazi kulamalanga nje nawe usunginqabele nje kwezinyo lenkukhu.
Uqonda ukuthini?
Ngiqonda ukuthi awusanginikezi isikhathi. Usunqabile impela njengamanje nje njengomsebenzi obhadala u10,000.
No, babe, I'm sorry. It's just that my brother Don is here, that's why.
Yeah, hey, your brother, ne?
So, ngiyamhlonipha, you see.
Okunye futhi lokho kungenza ukuthi ngikuthande phela. Yazi ekhweni bakhulise ingilosi uqobo lwayo.
Ngiyabona, babe. But anyways, you know, ukuthi like whenever I get time, like I use it to the fullest.
And surely you do.
I know.
Ongishanga amanzi orange phela.
Awuzala.
Yakuthanda ushoti wakho uyezwa.
Ngithandwa yini futhi?
Yazi wena baby ne. Uma nje ngathola lo muntu owenze uthando emhlabeni.
Yeah.
Ngingamtshela nje ukuthi ngicela ngiphi igama engal-expressa kuwena ukuthi ukuthi ngoba uthando ayinto encane ekufanele.
Yo, yangiflashisa phela.
Baby. Yini wabathenzi nje kwenze njani? Lethu. Khuluma tu.
So, I've been thinking very hard. And I've come to realize that this is not working for me anymore.
Baby, ukhuluma ngani? Yini engasebenzi? Yini? What do you mean?
We are not meant for each other.
How? Njengoba utshela lokho ke manje.
And the fact that there is Esther in the picture.
Esingenaphi lana? Uyazi baby ukuthi mina ngiyakuthanda musa.
I can't be in a love triangle. This situation is not working for me.
Okay. Baby. Yini manje? Wasuhamba. Ngicela uhlale phansi siluze le ndaba. Ngiyacela.
There's
Baby.
nothing
Hayi mara.
left.
Mara baby uyazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda ngithi. Angisuyazi uyakuthanda.
And just maybe I find someone
Hayadlala.
I would love
Hayi.
just the way I loved you. Please. Mbali. Allo.
Tena. Auspiro. Nyaka mwaka. Bua puti, não quer as fela que pise.
Juga. Contact me ukuthi ngikutshele yona before it's too late.
Too late yawo. Ke eng? Bua.
Before I study, I'm going to talk. And then you must show me several tests. I'll find my results.
Then naking, kina principal. O batlang mo ha ka Spyro? Batlang. I think what?
I found that I'm positive.
Ungayenza kanjani lento lena kimi?
Ngiyaxolisa malava.
Uyaxolisa? Uzongitshela nini?
Nix. But what I can do is, I can't leave you. I love you, Phela. Inhliziyo yami yonke.
Spot. You're so kind. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thanks.
Anytime.
Thank you.
Kahle ngifunani.
Ngisho uthini ke? Ngisiphi isikhathi nawe? Nobaba uzakukhumbula ubaba ngapho. Manje umshiya nobaba.
Ubaba bengangikhumbuli ngalesikhathi ubukisa ngami. Emaphathini, the worst part, ephathini kaJune. Weza ne-girlfriend yakho. Uneo. Ngihamba nomngani wami. Angihlaza. Namhlanje ubaba, hawu, kwasami, yangikhumbula.
My love. Whatever happened, whatever yenzakele nje, whatever kuthi ngicudisa. Ngiyahlala man. Ngithanda kodwa fu. So whatever izenzakele lapha emaphathini nani. Yazi ngithi nje lo mntana bayazwela yabona. And then there's nothing serious la. Maybe I could do it please. Je know one
It's
please.
Pay.
You don't look okay. What's going on? You should be excited. We're getting married, babe. Come on. Come on. Why don't nobody one?
I'm happy now.
Nah, you don't look convincing though. Try and smile at least. At least pretend. Babe, come on.
But I'm smiling.
This is your first wedding. You should be over the moon, and then yet you are. You frowning. What's going on? Babe, come on. Come on.
Just the nerves.
Okay. If it's the nerves, then I know exactly what will calm you down. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Yakusema muhle labanye amantombazane nje amfanele.
Ayibudelini. Was that necessary? I can run a second chance, but to decide to become a slave. So who to blame?
Ngiyazi ukuthi usemama uthanda amantombazane. Enambe ngimthanda. Anu Esther ukuthi ngiyamzonda. Just like ukuthi uzomnakekela uSemde bebemthanda ngakhona.
Yep, let's leave it. I didn't see you after the party. What happened?
Oh, I truly ngaqali. What I can say ukuthi ngiyahamba. Oh, Spiro, come in. Ushap mar. Awubona lolu shapa tsi.
Washaphu kanjani doctor? Ngizazi ukuthi ngiselwa
Hey Ndlovukazi. Khuluma noBafo la ungitshela ngendaba le kaSpiro.
Naye sekazwile.
Eish, shuthi wonke umuntu useyazi. Indaba ezimbi sihlala emathini khona la.
Yeah, it's very sad now. Like it's very, very sad.
Too much kodwa mangazi ngahila kanjani ngalento.
Well, DJ Spiro was a famous DJ lana eKatleng home, so really he was bound to end up where he is right now.
Hey, akekho umuntu odeserve ukufa sithando sami.
I know, but with the amount of girls he was exchanging day in, day out.
But hey, Jaya, yo, putu crazy. Nah. So,
ushap.
Hey, putu wami kuyale nale ukuhlafuna kwentshebe.
Efethu uthina bakaSpiro mafethu.
Eish.
Yazi into icwele yonke ikatlongo mfethu lemncabela out le mfethu. Ushona kwakhe mfethu.
Hey putu wami sonke nje inhliziyo zethu ugayibozi sigrindekile.
Adla uthile beshaphu kanje mfethu zamapati kanje mfethu. Ngiyabona amantombazana ama-sex mfethu njalo.
Lutho putu wami azikutshele enye into ne. It's not always about the sex putu wami. Yabona. Ucansi putu wami akulona kuphela ukufaka ugciwane. Thola. Thina black brain ngoba sibamnyama putu wami. Sicabanga ukuthi lile iyona efaka igciwane kuphela ngikhona nezinye izinto but ngeke sikhulume okuningi.
Yawuza mfethu into ebuhlungu kanje mfethu ma. Nawe mfethu yena amantombazana nami mfethu yabona njani into kaSpiro manje mfethu.
Relax putu wami mina I got myself nje yakho. But nesiyophinde ibonane futhi.
Okay.
Number 1. Sithando sami?
Yes,
my wash kala kum. Eish mara ke.
Yeah, I think we have to go and attend the funeral, you know?
Yeah, kuyomela vele sifike.
Yeah.
Kumele siphamise iflag lenja yami.
Yeah, exactly.
So
sithini siphumuka?
There's still life after pain, Don.
No. Life can be something else sometimes. I once written a story about a love triangle situation. Never ever I thought that one day I'll be the one in that situation.
What do you mean?
My wife was dating Sam while she was dating me. And it happened for a while until she broke up with him.
Listen, before you. I'm sorry to tell you this, but your wife has got HIV and AIDS, and it's full blown.
You know, I have endured so much pain in the past 3 weeks. So much. Only because I didn't know what was happening with my body. But I guess it won't hurt anymore. Because now I know what to do.
As I've told you, there's still life after pain. What you need to do is to take your treatment.
Thank you, Doc.
waiting for my husband to come and fetch me.
Oh. You see, that gentleman who just went out.
Okay.
He's a good man. But no bophelo ba hae bo tlhakatlhakane.
Oh, yeah. I saw him and he looks familiar, you know?
Yeah, lebitso la hae ke Don, and na actor la film yang ba re ke Evil Forest, playing the character of Jimmy.
I remember that. But let's hope ukuthi utletsa peace le ntwena yo infection and stuff. Then maybe it'll gain a confidence or something.
Yeah, let's wait for his second checkup. Re bone le gore go ya jwang ka yena. Since he accepted that he's infected.
Okay. Hi, babe. Okay, I'll be there just now. Just 2 seconds. Okay. I'm coming now. Bye. Okay, Shoni.
Oh, you're leaving already?
Yeah, I'm leaving already. Happy weekend. Yeah, let's hope that you don't look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
no, it's cool. Bye.
Yeah, okay.
Dr. Lee.
Oh, hello.
Hi man, ke tsame ke check di office mo like ke na office la lena khojal sa le gane le fihlile ka mo.
Yeah, ke tlo dropa fela Dr. Mpilo gore a ska inyaka go sa sona.
Oh. Ai, ka re ke tshwenyehile dikoloi ka moka ka montle a di go shetse le lena fela. Pele ke worried gore ana what's happening with my favorite doctor.
Yeah, sengwe le sengwe se tsamaya botse.
Oh.
And ke la go tlo check again.
Okay.
Yeah, and ke tlo tswetsa galene go pumpulele gate.
Oh, okay. Dr. Lee. Lile la mo fa Dr. Ndlovu a di CV tshela tsa moraro o leng kwa Limpopo. Ka rohlo ka mmerokoko. O itse o nya go change bophelo ba gagwe so e ka ba blessing e gola le ka mofa ona.
Oh, ash.
Lilibethe. I understand.
Oh, it's not like that. Wa tseba le wena ke phela ke le busy ke ya go dimo le fase. But you know what? I promise you I will make it up to you. I'll make a plan. Again. Ke tlo mo krela sengwenyane.
Ka nnete.
Yeah.
Yo. Nka thabela seo. Ke a go lot.
Nkolete.
Sekuphela insuku ndizibuza imibuzo engenazi impendulo. Kodwa ndiphinde naqaphela ukuba ayikho into entsha eyenzekayo kulo mhlaba. Yonke into eyenzekayo namhlanje yenzekile komnye umbizolo. See, life is all about the choices we make. And those very same choices can be a nightmare tomorrow. Negligence umkhonto ohlaba isizwe sethu. Ukuphucuka kuqala ngam nawe. And together we can build an HIV and AIDS free generation. And that begins with you and me
today, now.